No, never.
Good luck.
Marsh looks stressed.
Steph by the back, high off the glass and good. Some Steph magic.
In his bag, deep, like the fries are at the bottom. Steph Curry with another one.
Capella out front against Steph.
Oh,
And
my.
lays it in.
Boy, that's having you on that yo-yo.
Yeah, but I will say this though. You know, if you're gonna get beat.
Credit. They got guys that are willing to take it and make it.
Dancing on Walker, goes behind the back, takes it in. Walker's.
Curry spins. Step back, trying to draw another foul, and it goes in. Oh, Steph Curry. It's a two-pointer.
Can't challenge that. That's a foul.
It's got Nurkic on skates. Steph on the step through. Reddish not reaching. Tried to move his feet. Curry three. Game action that he's getting more comfortable with. Steph again. Steph. The pullback, the hesitation, the wing jumper.
That's so disrespectful.
That should count for more than 2 points.
Somebody help this man. Too many moves for Osman to guard there.
Despite the horrific shooting by the Lakers, especially their stars, again, they're only down 8. Curry.
Steph down to 2.
Stop.
He backs all the way up. Oh, no!
Yo.
That is almost unfair! The game has been broken.
Curry fakes. Zubac's trying to stay with him. Curry.